Hi, to activate LED flash notifications on iPhone 16e, firstly open phone settings. So let's find and open them. And now we need to scroll down to find accessibility section. After that, you need to scroll a bit down and from the list, choose audio and visual. Then scroll down again, and on the very bottom of the page you will see LED flash for alerts. So now you can turn it on by tapping on the switcher like that, and each time you'll receive new notification you will see this flash. You can also enable flash while unlocked or disable this one, and flash in silent mode. So you can control LED flash for alerts when the ring switch is set to silent or the device is unlocked. And to disable this feature at all, you need to tap on the switcher right here so it will be white. And that's all. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.